One, it's been a pleasure meeting you. It really has. I know you're just getting started. First of all, how did you get into the carpet cleaning business?
I basically got introduced through Chris.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And you're a member on our group?
Yes, sir.
On Truck Mount Forums group? Okay. Now, so you've got yourself, what kind of equipment do you have so far?
U.S. product, and I also have the truck mount.
Okay, so you got a portable and you have a truck mount.
Correct.
And do you have any jobs yet, or are you just literally getting started?
I'm just really getting started. Yeah.
Okay, so we got you the proper pre-sprays on hand. We got you kind of an all-in-one pre-spray. We got you the BioPro, a good rinse, a good deodorizer, and something good for urine. So you're pretty much set for 99% of your jobs. If you ever want to get in touch with us through the groups and forums, we can answer any of your questions. Now, you were asking, how do you go about getting jobs to get started?
Correct.
I would recommend just talking to friends, neighbors, relatives, and go out and do those jobs. And maybe give them a discount for first-time use. And do such a good job and stick with it and really go through the job A through Z, make it look as best as possible. You're already way ahead of the curve.
Correct.
Go over and do a great job, and then they'll tell their friends, neighbors, and relatives. And start yourself a Facebook page right now. Do you have a Facebook page for your business?
I have a personal one, but we're going to get together and make one.
Good.
For the business.
Good. Go ahead and start one with your business. And when you go out and do these jobs, take pictures of those jobs.
Correct.
And like after you've done half the room, you can kind of see a before and an after. Get that picture right there, and then post that up there. And ask them to go in there and do a review for you. And those reviews will build.
Yeah.
And then get yourself a website, you take it from there, and what happens is it starts to snowball. And again, more people tell more people, next thing you know, it branches out, and you have more business than you know what to do with. Okay, I think that's the best way to start off, especially if you're counting on your wife's income, or if you're doing a part-time job, build it up, because remember, Rome wasn't built in a day.
Oh,
all right?
Absolutely.
Well, I think that's going to work great for you. We have the products here. Anything you ever need, man, don't hesitate. We'll help you in any form or fashion.
I appreciate it.
All right, well, I'm Rob Allen with Truck Mount Forums. Have yourself a great day.
Bye.